Okay, so we've pumped the water, we've put it through a filter. Now we get to the fertigation room. Johan Visser is going to tell us a little bit more about that, and I'll catch up with you at the valve cluster.
So we explained to you regarding the filter. So the filter was at the start of the system. Now the water arrived here at the cluster house. So this is the highest point of the main line. So very important is to have a double purpose air valve here to release air and also to break the vacuum should there be a mainline break or the pump switch off. Then we've got a control valve just to regulate the pressure again, and then the main line continues. And very important in an irrigation system is a water meter. A water meter just shows you if your system is healthy, if you're delivering the right amount of water to the block valves that is needed. So we entered this cluster room where we saw the water come through the water meter, and then we go into a very simple, non-sophisticated fertigation system. In the vineyards, we normally don't need all these EC and pH control. So the water will enter from the main line into this pump. The pump will just boost the pressure a little bit to move through these venturis. The fertilizer is added here. The fertilizer comes from a fertilizer tank through a fertilizer filter. It gets mixed with the water and it goes back into the system. Why the water meter is important? Because in a system like this, we measure the volume of water, and the fertilizer consultant normally explain to you and say, you must add so many liters of fertilizer per cubic meter water applied. So that is why the water meter is important, to tell this machine exactly how much fertilizer it needs to inject into the system. So with a drip system, what we say it's actually a conveying system. A drip system conveys water to the plants and the nutrients to the plants. So there's many types of nutrients that you can actually take through your water to the plants. That's why we call it a conveying system and not always an irrigation system.
Thank you for watching this video. It's been great to have you. For the next video in this series, please click somewhere over here. And if you want to learn more about Agrico and what our great team does, subscribe to our channel.